How to log in Bet365 account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser in your PC. Here I have opened up Google Chrome. After that, in the search bar you have to click and search for Bet365. And after a few seconds of entering, you'll be able to see the search results. So among them you have to go for the second option, Bet365 online sports betting. After that, you'll be taken to the official web page of Bet365. So in order to log into your account, you have to go for the login option in the right upper corner. You can also see there's a join option. If you are new, then you can join Bet365. So in order to log in, you have to simply click on that. After clicking, you'll be able to see the text boxes where you have to enter your username and password. In this first text box, you have to enter your username, and in the second text box, you have to enter your password associated with your Bet365 account. And after that, you have to go for login option. If you are new, then you can join now, and if you have trouble in logging in, then you have to go for this option over here where you'll be helped to log in by recovering your password or account. And by entering all the information, you have to go for login option, and after a few seconds of loading, you'll be logged into your account, and from over there you can play the various games by betting. So by following this simple step, you can log in Bet365 account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.